lesson 153. Today we have a review, kind of a review of what we learned yesterday, but just kind of reinforcement too. So we talked about complements and the word complement. Remember, the root word is, what is the root word of the word complement? That is complete. So a complement completes a sentence, okay? So the first kind of complement that we learned, we're going to learn 3 more, but the first one we learned about yesterday is called a direct object. So we're talking more about a direct object today. So if we have a sentence like this first one on the board, Julie played the piano at church. So when we're looking for a direct object, let's just go over the steps here. Now remember, a direct object is never going to be found in a prepositional phrase. So let's find if there is any prepositional phrase here. And there is. At church is a prepositional phrase. So let's put parentheses around that so that we remember not to look there for our direct object. Next, find the verb. Now, direct objects have to come after action verbs. So find the verb and see if it's action or being. Now here is the verb. Played is an action verb, so there could be a direct object after this. Now find the subject. Julie is the subject. Julie played. Now, the next step, the 4th step here for finding our direct object is to read the subject and the verb together and ask who or what. So Julie played who or what? She played the piano, right? Yes. So that is our direct object. Now, to make sure that we found the correct word, read your subject, verb, and direct object together and see if it sounds okay. Julie played the piano. Does that sound okay? Yes. So piano is our direct object. Let's try another one. The cat ate the entire can of tuna. So let's take care of our prepositional phrases. Let's put them in parentheses because we know we cannot find our direct object in them. Next, find your verb. Is it action? Ate is our verb. Ate is an action verb, so there could be a direct object here. Now we need to find our subject. Who or what ate? Cat. Cat ate. So now we need to ask, cat ate who or what? And that is going to be our direct object. Cat ate who or what? The cat ate the can, right? The entire can. Now let's read our subject, verb, and direct object together. And if it sounds correct, it's probably right. The cat ate the entire can. Does that sound correct? Yes. So that is the right thing. All right. So let's go over our 3rd one here. God loves a cheerful giver. We do not have any prepositional phrases, so let's underline our verb. That is an action verb. Now, who or what loves? God. So God is our subject. Now, to find our direct object, we're going to say God loves who or what? God loves giver. God loves a cheerful giver. Now let's read them together. God loves a cheerful giver. Does that sound right? Yes, so we found the correct word there for our direct object. Now, remember we talked earlier this year about objective, subjective, and possessive pronouns? Remember our objective pronouns, me, you, him, her, us, it, them. Now, this is just something to remember. Whenever you have a pronoun that is a direct object, it's going to be in the objective case. It's not going to be possessive case like my, and it's not going to be subjective case like I, you, and he. Whenever you have a pronoun as a direct object, it will be in the objective case like me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay? So, in your lesson today, you have think C, you have think D, and then on page 273, you have think A and think B. Work carefully, find your direct objects, go through the steps. Put parentheses around prepositional phrases, find your verb, find your subject, ask who or what, read it together, and then if it sounds right, you probably found the right word. Let Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.